Close-up of the wheel wood brake assembly. Doors have been stuffed. Don't know why the seats were taken out, maybe for wiring issues, but four piston back and 6 piston wheel wood brakes up front. I finally got the correct definition of all the canisters here. This is for the radiator overflow. This is for power steering reservoir. And this is the breather coming up to the manifold there. And big item, first fender is on. Gapping it. They took the wheels off because they had an issue with a slight leak in the brake line that was caused by a defective brass fitting, so that had to be replaced, and then of course the brakes had to be bled again, so that's why the wheels are off. So this is 1/2 the side of the real car. Here's the 305 rear. And the 275 front tire. And old news, that black bumper's on. A lot of the progress isn't really visible. A lot of the wiring and stuff is progressing. Dash work, getting ready to install the Dakota Digital electronic dash. All the wiring being prepped for that. And trying to get some more pieces of the console. Here's a bracket filler assembly that goes underneath the chrome cover here I'm waiting for from Australia. And hood pins are installed, waiting for the hood to be mounted with its twin louvers. As we get closer to finishing the outside, I'm looking to putting on a PPF paint protective film. Looking at all the options. One of the issues could be that the sheets come in a roll that's only 5 feet wide. So this section right here going over the rear panel, there may have to be a seam down the center to facilitate bringing the film down off the roof down to the quarter panels. All the other issues are pretty relatively easy from what I understand, like the trunk They just wrap and tuck the film around all the edges of the trunk line, and same for the hood line, same for the doors. But it was brought to my attention, yeah, that the quarter panel and roof could be an issue with if there still is a 5-foot max for the PPF. Some bonus material. Nice old Corvette. Let me guess, 58 Corvette. A little bit lighter red than mine. Nice old Mopar. Looks like race car. Nice old Chevy truck.